Hey guys, welcome back to my video. We still know that Frank is sleeping. Guys, today we will learn about how to get your own mail and the mail. So actually, I got a lot of mails and I have to send messages. First, you need a normal actual paper. If you want to make up a flat paper boat first in the paper, you have to do like that. Cover it up. We're gonna cover up like that. Now next, you have to do like that. Now, next you have to do like that. A mini flat paper boat. So if you want to do this mini flat paper boat, comment below into the section below and subscribe. If you like the paper boat, just comment below into my section below. So bye.